What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today is Makeup Monday and we are reviewing the Covergirl Clean Fresh line today. I'm so excited. Covergirl sent me this little collection right here. This line in particular is formulated without formaldehyde, phthalates, parabens, sulfates, and talc. And Covergirl products are Leaping Bunny approved by Cruelty Free International, meaning they are never tested on animals. This was a change that happened within like the last year. So that is really awesome, and I hope that every single brand follows suit. We are going to jump into this adorable little collection here. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it, and we are going to see how it wears on my face. If I look a little darker than I normally do, it is because I did self-tan last night, which I feel very weird because I haven't self-tanned in probably 6 months or so. It is Valentine's week, so I wore red for you guys. Anyway, that's all besides the point. You know the drill. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, we are going to jump into the Covergirl Clean Fresh line. This whole line is geared around a no makeup look. This collection includes foundations, tinted lip oils, cream blushes, and then also these cooling glow sticks. This is going to be like kind of an everyday dewy fresh type of look, which I personally really love from day to day. I did already prime my face. I went in with the Tacha the Silk Canvas Primer. I love this primer. We are going to jump right into this Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. This is a nourishing foundation. I'm not sure what shade I'm gonna be in. Let me tell you a little bit about this foundation. Lightweight, nourishing liquid foundation that gives your skin the moisture boost it craves with a delicate infusion of coconut milk and soothing aloe. You'll experience a glowing, dewy finish that lasts all day, and it claims to blur imperfections and to create an even skin tone. And it says that you can get a sheer buildable coverage with 14 expertly designed shade adaptable formulas. So there is 14 shades in this range. So it actually looks like the shade medium is going to be a match for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Tati Beauty Blendiful, and I did use this one time, but I like to use it a few times before washing it. I've washed it several times now. It's still holding up really, really well. I think for this, I'm just gonna put it right on my little Blendiful. This is how much I put on there, and we'll start on this side, and let's just see what kind of coverage we can get. I am actually very impressed with how much coverage this has. I wasn't expecting much coverage at all since it is a sheer buildable coverage. I was thinking more along the lines of like a tinted moisturizer, but this actually gives decent coverage. It does have a little bit of a dewy, glowy look to it, which I love. You can see all the hyperpigmentation on my face here. And then this is nice and even with just one layer. So far, I'm very impressed. I really like the coverage. I like the dewy finish that it gives. I did want to mention that this retails for $9.99. There is 14 shades. Lightest shade is called Porcelain. Darkest shade is called Dark. So here is kind of the range. Now, I don't know how long it's gonna wear, but typically if I'm doing a no makeup look, I'm not doing makeup that I need to last all day long. So, okay, Covergirl, I see you. I see you out there. So I added just a little bit of concealer because even on my no makeup days, I still like to add a little bit of concealer, especially right under my eyes. And I also did my brows, which I don't like the way my brows turn out, but it's fine. Moving into the cream blush. The Clean Fresh Cream Blush hydrates and plumps up cheek for a fresh, dewy glow. 4 versatile high pigmented shades. It also says that you can use these on the eyelids if you want a little bit of color, and these retail for $8.99. So here are the different shades of the blush. Starting from this side, we have Ripe and Ready, Butterflies, Flushed, and then this little pink one over here is called Sweet Innocent. And these do all have like a little bit of a metallic finish to them. That scares me a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and go in with this one, I think. Yeah, let's just start with this one. This is called Flushed. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on the back of my hand, like a tiny little dot. I'm actually gonna flip over my Blendiful, and I'm just gonna go in with this just like that, just tapping it in, adding that to the cheeks. Ooh, whoa, okay, let's move to another side to blend that in a little bit. Come on. I'm going to this is not cute. I'm gonna use a little flat top brush to try and blend this a little bit. That's looking a little bit better. I'm gonna try to use the brush to do the other side. I think the blendiful just picked up too much product at one time. You need the slightest little bit of product with this. But I do really love the color. I love that it's got a little bit of sheen to it. It doesn't look as metallic on the face as it did in the swatches, but I also feel like this dries down very quickly, so you don't have a lot of time to work with it. Let's go back to the foundation side, and I'm just gonna try to pat that over top of it. Maybe that'll kind of dim it down a little bit. It does look very natural on the skin. Of course, I picked up the brightest color out of all of them, so that again is another reason why I was kind of having a little bit of a difficult time. This is a color that would look amazing on deeper skin tones for sure. We are gonna move into the highlight. I think these are so cute. I love the packaging on all of these. For the Cooling Glow Stick, it says, portable shimmer highlight instantly cools the skin and leaves it looking positively radiant. Toss the glow stick in your pocket or bag and glide it on the cheeks or eyelids, anywhere you need an extra glow. Oh, it says that you can put these on your décolleté, and these retail for $8.99. Here we have the colors. Hopefully you can see these from this distance. Opal Dreams, So Guilty, I really love this one. Pink Thrill, and then we have Transparent over here, which I guess the transparent is more just to give like a clear, like maybe a dewy look to the skin. I'm thinking if you can use these on your eyes, you can give the eyes like that glossy kind of look. I don't know. I'm gonna go into So Guilty. This one has a little bit of a gold hue to it. You're just going to, I guess, just kind of go in here. Oh, I am gonna take my blendiful and just kind of dab that in. It definitely does have a cooling sensation to it. Okay, that's not blending in very well though. Definitely looks a little stripy. So I'm actually gonna go in with another little brush to try to blend this out. I'm gonna take the brush and just go in like this and then add it, because I feel like that will, yeah, that definitely blends better, but it still looks like I have a little bit of a stripe. All right, let me try to just go in like this on this side. See how we do. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Bajillion times better. So I do not recommend taking this and putting it directly on your face. I definitely recommend taking a little bit of a brush and getting it on your brush and then placing it on your face and blending it. Really loving that highlight. Oh, nice. And I'm just kind of bringing it a little bit on the apples of my cheek just to give it a little bit of a glow. I actually think it's really beautiful. And I am gonna go in with the shade Opal, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my shoulder. Ooh. And just kind of rub that in. Ooh, that's nice. Might like that even better than the first color. I don't know. This has definitely more of a pink hue to it. Maybe I'll do just a little bit on the décolleté, even though I'm not really going to be showing my décolleté today. Go in here and blend this out. Really pretty to give the skin that nice, fresh kind of glow to the skin, right? And since it does say that we can add these to the eyes, I am gonna go in with this one. This is the shade Pink Thrill. I'm just gonna use my ring finger and I'm just gonna pat a little bit on my eye. I definitely think probably the cream blush would show up better on the eye. Okay, so maybe this isn't the greatest for the eyelids because I feel like I would want a little more color, and this is the darkest one that they have. I'm gonna go in with the shade Butterflies and the cream blush. Use my finger and again just pop this on the lid. Oh yeah, that gives a little more color to the eye. For your no makeup days, that is totally unnecessary. You don't have to put anything on the eyes, but I do feel like if you're using this collection, it's nice to be able to use it for multiple things and just to add a little wash of color to the eyes. I think it was really nice for that. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara and then we're gonna come back and do lips. I'm gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes Mascara. Even on my no makeup days, I still wear mascara. That is like a non-negotiable because I feel so weird without it. Now we are gonna go into lips. So far, I'm loving how this is turning out. This set comes with 6 different shades of lip oils. Here are all of the lip oil shades. Starting from this side, we have Sour Grape, Fresh Squeezed, Swipe Ripe, Bad Apple, Quench, Juiced, which is a transparent color. And I have to say, these look incredible. They smell really, really nice. I can't pinpoint what they smell like. I have smelled a lip product like this. I do normally go in with a lip liner no matter what, but today, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go in with just the lip oil. I always feel like I need a little bit of something to kind of like outline my lips, especially because I like have zero color naturally to my lips. I think I might go in with this one right here. This is the shade Fresh Squeezed. We are just gonna go right in. Here is the color Fresh Squeezed, and I love this. This is so pretty. I love the color. I do still feel like I need a lip liner, but I'm gonna try to look past it. And I think I forgot to tell you guys about these lip oils. So, packed with shine, long-lasting moisture, this tinted lip oil has you covered for comfy all-day wear, full of good-for-you ingredients like coconut and pomegranate oils. The moisturizing formula also contains vitamin E to keep lips soft, smooth, and conditioned for up to 6 hours. And it comes in 6 bold, beautiful shades, and these retail for $8.99. These feel really, really moisturizing. So it's been about 30 minutes since I applied the foundation, and it does have a little bit of a tacky feel to it, so I do want to set it a little bit. If I didn't have a lot going on, I probably would just leave it and let it go, but because I know I want this to last a little while, I am gonna set it with a little bit of powder, and I'm actually gonna go in with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Powder, and this is in the shade Buff Beige. I'm just gonna kind of put it where I feel like I need it, which is right over here. Just enough powder to kind of set it and make it last just a little bit longer. I'm gonna move you in really, really close so that you guys can get a really close-up view of what my skin is looking like. So here is what my skin looks like, super duper close up. I personally think it looks really, really beautiful. It definitely looks nice and fresh. This foundation is not accentuating my pores. You can still see some, hyperpigmentation coming through, but it's a sheer coverage, so I expect that. So my final thoughts on the Clean Fresh line, I really, really am impressed. This foundation did give me a decent coverage. It helped to even out my skin tone. I don't think this is a foundation that would be good for someone that has major skin issues or major acne that they're trying to cover, but it is a sheer buildable coverage. It is what it says it is. And so far, I really, really like the way that it's wearing and the way that it looks. The cream blushes. I definitely had a little bit of trouble with the cream blush, but I think it's just because I used too much and the blendiful picked up too much at one time. It does set down pretty quickly, so you need to work with it pretty quickly, but I really do love this. I'm thinking these glow sticks might be my favorite thing in the collection. I don't know, between this and the lip oils. I'm excited to test out this transparent color. It almost has the feel of like a primer, so I might use this as a primer one day and just see how it works. The lip oils are a smash hit. This is beautiful. It feels so good on the lips. Covergirl, y'all done did good with this. I can't wait to see what you guys think of this look and what you guys think of this line. Definitely let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products out or if you plan to. And yes, that is it for this Makeup Monday video. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.